On the last episode,
Hey, press conference is over. Captain Quark don't want no more reporters bugging him in his trailer. You snap a picture of the captain in his underpants. You see how it works. You grease the hinges, the door opens.
Captain Quark?
Was I? There's an awful plot being hatched to destroy our planet. You are a true hero in the making.
Really? You mean I could be famous?
Can you quickly conquer Quark's killer cannonade of confounded contraptions? Can you quickly can you quarkly quick? Oh.
Meet me at my headquarters.
Haven't we done enough already?
What? I can't hear you.
Later? We might be dead by then! Oh no. There's something fishy going on here.
This is it. Quark is going to help us stop Chairman Drek.
Get off of me, you idiot!
What do you mean?
What do you think he means, genius? He's not gonna help us. He's gonna kill us.
I'm the official spokesman for Drek's new planet. I can't have you two getting in the way of my comeback.
and so it continues.
I wonder what that infobot is for.
Maybe it can replace you.
We're pinned down! We're pinned down! The ships are hammering our position from the air! That was a little too close! We need support! Now! Actually, I need support. My entire battalion went AWOL and left me to fight this war on my own. If the enemy doesn't kill those guys, I will. I'm not gonna last much longer. Requesting immediate assistance. Over and out.
Those are Drek's ships destroying that planet. We must help that commando.
Are you serious? That's it. I am out of here. Captain Quark is gonna be sorry he messed with me.
This is not about Captain Quark anymore. There are innocent lives being lost.
Yeah? Well, I'm done with this stupid hero stuff. I got my own agenda now.
Ratchet, this is not like you.
What do you know about me? You've spent this whole time looking for Quark. You don't know anything about me.
I know that you will do the right thing.
Well, right now the thing I want to do is find Quark. How do you start this stupid thing?
Have you forgotten? You need a robotic ignition system. I will start the ship if you agree to help that commando.
So, blackmail is it? Fine. Just shut up and start the ship.
Back so soon?
Oh, you're talking to me.
I'm not in the habit of talking to myself, you buffoon. Did you get rid of them?
Yes. No. Well, I had this plan, and I thought...
You thought? You thought? I do the thinking around here, you slug-brained idiot. I simply needed you to eliminate those two nuisances before they could cause any real trouble.
But I wanted to...
Do you still want to be the highly paid spokesman for my planet?
Yeah?
Then the next time I send you to do a job, I want results! Now get out of my sight! Attention, you deserting maggots! The next time you soldiers try to go AWOL, I'll shoot you myself!
Look, I just want to...
Zip it, worm! You see those bombers? If you don't get to the turrets and knock those ships out of the sky, this whole planet's gonna be rubble! Meet me at the city entrance!
He needs our help.
Yeah? Why don't you go help him? Into another trap. Well, go on. Go fight some evil.
At least I'm not a coward.
Whatever. As soon as I find Quark, I'm selling you for scrap.
Oh man, the writing is so good. So, it's like I've been saying so far, Ratchet and Clank, like, they're not friends. It's just so far they've been buddy-buddy because they've been sort of bound by a common need to travel, you know. Clank needs a hero to help him save the galaxy, and Ratchet needs, you know, Clank to start a ship so that he can, you know, be free and travel, right? But now that Captain Quark has betrayed him, Ratchet is rightfully pissed off, and he spent all his time trying to help Clank only for, you know, him to walk into a death trap, so... you know, understandably he's pretty mad. And you get to see more of like Ratchet's selfish side come through, because he doesn't really care about the galaxy as much as Clank does, right? Like he's more focused on fulfilling his own goals, which is a little understandable. I mean, he's been trapped on that one planet his entire life with this need to go and see more. And so now he finally gets the chance, so obviously everything he wants to do is focused around him. But now that, you know, we've had this conflict happen, the goals of Ratchet and Clank, like, they begin to butt heads now, and we see sort of the aftermath of what's happening. Damn it. So the need that tied them together, you know, Ratchet needing Clank in order to start the ship for him, and Clank needing somebody to help him, you know, defeat Chairman Drek. It's literally the only thing that's keeping them together now, which I think is pretty poetic. It's just so good, man. We get to see character development. You know, Ratchet and Clank aren't just buddy-buddy from the very start. You know, they have to actually earn that first.
Halt! Who are you? What are you doing?
We are on a mission to save the galaxy.
Speak for yourself and put your hands down. You look ridiculous.
Actually, I don't care who you are. I've got to get the heck out of here. I joined the army to get money to go to college. I never knew I'd end up in a war. Go figure.
This is a noble cause, sir.
Noble my hiney. I just want to get home to my family. Here, I pulled this off a busted robot. Give me some bolts for bus fare and it's yours. Thanks a bunch. Good luck saving the galaxy or whatever.
Greetings, Supreme Executive Chairman Drek. As you can see, we're about to test our newest automated pilot's helmet. This helmet allows pilots to control our latest high-tech fighters using only their thoughts. Please enjoy the demonstration. We still have a few minor adjustments to make.
Whoa! If they ever get the kinks worked out of that thing, I have got to get me one of those.
If they are working for Chairman Drek, they may know where he is.
Is that all you can think about? Drek this and Drek that? I got my own problems.
If you cannot see the importance of this situation, you do have problems.
Yeah? Well, if you're so smart, how come you fell for Quark's stupid trick? Ah, forget it. We both need to get to this planet, and that's all that matters.
Ooh, we got some fighting going on. And again, like, they literally have no choice but to stick together because they need each other. And that's, you know, part of what makes this game so beautiful. No matter what, in the end, they need each other, and so that's what keeps them stuck together. These bomb guys are really annoying. They'll hide in the grass here, like underground, and they become, like, invulnerable. And you have to wait for them to pop up. And it's just, I hate these enemies. Yes, there is the very, very rare use of the suck cannon on this planet. There's one more planet coming up fairly soon. I would say in 3 more planets or so, where we're gonna get use out of the suck cannon again. But that last planet will be our last major use of the suck cannon, I think. That is the hardest trespasser puzzle in the game. And obviously, you know, if you know how the puzzle works, it's absolutely true. Like, as a kid, it took me literal hours to figure out that puzzle because I just couldn't get it for whatever reason. There he is. Damn it. Hate those enemies so much, dude. Cheeky buggers. Luckily, I'm pretty sure this is... Oh no, it's not. There is one more planet where we see them. Which is annoying, but, you know. Yeah, throw a bomb while I'm way up here. Oh, I guess you're just gonna go fly off into the distance then. Freaking Jesus. So there's a new enemy here. You'll see it spawn on the top right of the screen. We'll get a closer look at it, obviously. But it's like a bomb tank thing, and if you don't destroy it by the time it gets in range, you basically guarantee take damage. So you first blow the top off the thing, and then you can just jump on top and do this. No. Luckily, this like ledge here is safe to shoot that guy from if you have the blaster. I couldn't actually imagine trying to defeat those things using the bomb glove or the wrench. Because yeah, they shoot bombs at you so fast that you can't like kill it fast enough without taking damage.
blasted thing and won't budge. I've tried everything I know short of nuclear weaponry. No, never mind.
Well, you tried. See ya.
Not so fast, soldier. You're going into that compound even if I have to throw you. Aha! That ventilation shaft leads to the turret platform. Soldier, find a way to use that shaft to infiltrate the compound undetected. You've shown bravery by making it this far, soldier. And for that, I reward you. I intercepted this communique that you might find useful. Take it. I'm off to find my battalion. Good luck.
Hello once again, fellow blog. I hope this message finds you well. As many of you know, our home planet is no longer habitable. We've abandoned our factories, our laboratories, and our happy lives because of the encroaching pollution, leaving much behind. Fortunately, the nearby planets will supply us with all we need to create our new home, which is nearing completion. Once our scientists locate the ideal orbit, our new world will be perfect. So reserve your space now. Prime locations are filling up fast. Good day.
Now do you understand why we must stop him? He won't rest until he has destroyed every planet in the galaxy.
Yeah? Well, I got bigger fish to fry.
Bigger than the galaxy?
Well, different fish anyway. Look, didn't that commando guy say we could get into that compound?
Yes, by using the ventilation shaft. But we will need something special to walk on that.
Fine. Let's get going then. We'll come back later.
Man, I wish the commando just threw us into the compound. It would just be so much easier instead of having to come back for no reason in particular. I mean, the last part of this planet is optional anyway. We're still going to do it because it gets us more bolts. But, I mean, it's just such a pain in the butt that, like, casually whenever I play this game, I pretty much never come back to this planet because it's just... It's so random that they force you to have to leave and come back for optional content. So this next planet has some more annoying enemies, which you'll see like in a little bit. And I can't remember if the suck cannon works on them or not. If it does work on them, then this planet will be easy, but I'll have to test it. This planet's pretty cool though, too. I like this planet. It's got funky music, and it's, you know, I don't know, I just kind of like it. It's really red. Nope, I'm gonna have to... You get a skill point for destroying all those ships, and I believe you get like 100 or 200 bolts for each one you destroy, so it's worth destroying them anyway. Is that a missing texture I see? The lava splashes? Oh no. Gotta love emulators, everybody. I shouldn't make fun. The people behind the PCSX2 emulator actually do a lot of hard work. I just kind of find it funny that, like, hardware as old as the PS2 will still run better than like PC hardware. And it's just because like of how specialty the software and hardware or sorry, I shouldn't say specialty, how special the software and hardware combination is for pretty much any console. It's basically impossible to recreate, and you'll never get like the same kind of performance that you'll get from those consoles. It's really weird how that works. But gosh dang it if people don't try, you know? Skill point. Not that it matters. Again, I'm not going for 100%. Ankle biters, man. I'm glad that these enemies are like recurring throughout the games. So you see those enemies over there, the like sphere-looking guys? Yeah, if you don't take them out from a distance, they like fly up right in your face and they begin to self-destruct. And if you don't kill them by the time they self-destruct, then they explode and you die. And apparently you can't suck cannon them. However, you can bomb glove them once and then swing. I believe you can also hyper strike them once and then swing. But I think you can also just throw bombs, like when they're up in your face like that, you can just throw bombs straight at them. So this planet is basically Bomb Glove Planet. Finally get to actually see it in action. You son of a bitch. The AoE on the Bomb Glove is really good too, so when you have like 10 of them all up in your face, you can just throw one and it hits pretty much all 10 of them. if you were doing like a wrench-only run, you could... There's a turret up there. You could run past all these enemies and quickly fly up to the turret. I believe you can like long jump out of the way from their explosion. And then once you get in the turret, you're invulnerable to damage, so... I'm just gonna go back over here and grab this health. Because the next section can be a bit of a doozy if you take too much damage. I just barely got that last guy. Luckily, I'm pretty sure that was the last of them, so... We are also getting pretty close to 40,000 volts, which is nice to see. Friendly fire, gotta love it. Oh yeah, cool, just don't give me any bolts, that's great. Luckily these guys, with the way that their attack patterns are, if you know how they shoot, you can pretty much just dodge everything. Walk right up to them. Ooh. I say that and almost take damage myself. Okay, that's cool. Shouldn't have taken damage there, but again, there's just some times where this game, there's literally nothing you can do. You're just gonna take damage. Oh, I totally did not even see that armor crates here. Oh, there is more. Damn it. Luckily the bomb glove is OP here.
Now this is cool.
And look, he gets to wear it now. Yay. He will take off the helmet as soon as we go to another planet, but something interesting about this game is that the various gadgets that you get, like, for example, take a look at Ratchet's feet. You can go into the gadgets, so you can equip them whenever. And now I have the grind boots on. And the same thing goes for the helmet now, and yeah, it's really random how that works, but again, it's just another feature that they didn't have to add to the game, but they did, so. I appreciate them existing, but I also do not appreciate them existing. Friendly fire, baby. Haha, I got you in midair. Ah, I got you in midair. Oh, of course, yeah. I didn't need that HP. Yeah, I don't need HP. I might die here, I think. Ah. I'm just gonna go up here, I think. I think there's HP up here. Or not. Well, I do want to go back down there and kill those enemies for bolts. I know where there's more health. All I have to say is that thank God this game has 4 hits instead of 3. Like Legend of Zelda or something. I can imagine this game is a little bit unfair with only 3 HP. I mean, considering that you get health upgrades later on if you want to spend a ton of bolts for them, and they're almost necessary if you're bad at this game. Yeah, I think it was a good decision to get Ratchet 4 HP in this game. See, I didn't even need to go get more HP. I killed these guys without even taking another hit. No problem. Good news is we're at 41,000 bolts. Bad news is we're like halfway through the game.